Waiting. 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 Not
Oh.
waiting. All right, show us how it's done.
Sure.
Go, Kiki. Just do whatever you want to do.
So first, is there sugar in here?
I put a little bit of honey.
You slap some strawberry on there. More. And then you add a little bit of
Where's the
syrup.
What?
cream?
Oh, I said no cream. Did you want cream?
It's okay.
I felt like if we did cream, we wouldn't be able to finish this.
Cool.
Because it would be too heavy.
I don't know how to fold this.
I do a jumbo.
And then, oh, there's too much strawberries.
Wow.
No cream.
Too much. This would be a really nice cake. Yeah.
There was a dog hair.
There was a dog hair. Don't hate me. Internet, don't hate me. I'm just like combining stuff because I'm dirty like that.
What?
You want to share chicken with me?
It's hot. No way, Rose. What?
Oh. For now.
Something salty. You are. You're busy.
Well, it's good that you did it because we gotta use this.
I know.
I'm just like, are you gonna judge me because you're Raphael?
Okay. Sit.
Then we do this, and then we do this, and then a crispy. Baji?
Sit. Good boy.
He's so cute. This is why all of our pillows, cushions, seat cushions are flat. Because of this guy. Right here. Do you see how he's sitting on it? It's flat now. It's like, it's chunky. It doesn't... Because of this guy. Right here. What do you have to say to the accusation, sir? Nothing? You accept it?
No, I don't think that it is correct. I win. Thank you.
So cute. Oh, so cute. Okay, goodbye.
Bye. You and I.
Why are you always judging, sir? He's so chunky.
The broth, we need 3 cups. We are following a recipe because this is the first time we're gonna do wonton soup.
Is this for 3 servings? Or is it 3 cups for 1 serving?
2 servings. So I just add another cup.
Yeah, we can add more water later if we need.
I just convert 3 cups for 2 servings, so 1.5. My math is my thing.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah. French touch. Give me my money.
Give me my money. Hả? Butter. 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 Hả? Hey, you know how to do paw. Good boy. Turn around.
Bang. Bang. Boom.
Good
Okay.
boy.
For that, I need to give.
You could give him some sweet potato.
Well,
Right there. Yeah, you could give him the skin.
You disgusted, right?
What did he eat?
Sweet potato. You do.
I
Why?
had something special.
What?
I had something special, I think.
Chicken bouillon?
Oh, how did you know that? I had like 2 teaspoons. Garlic.
So like 1.5. 2.
Yeah.
We're Asians.
We Asian, yeah.
There's ginger right here.
I'm gonna add like the ginger.
Make sure it's still good.
Huh?
Make sure it's still good.
It's not enough with that. So, yeah. 1 should be enough. Then let's put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Some people use light, but I guess we don't.
I have soy sauce. for
Us.
soup. I have some soy sauce. Pour it back in.
Okay. Can you cut?
Beep.
Thing. Let's put 2 soy sauce,
Soy sauce.
especially for Bob. Ooh. Ooh. Then I'm gonna put same amount of Chinese wine.
And then
And then sugar.
what goes that there?
3 teaspoons. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil.
And then
Then we mix. What do you expect? Oh, so bright. There you go. Go from each mouth.
let's pour it. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom.
For 8 minutes.
And then put the other one in too. I feel like we're gonna need more water for all of us.
Don't worry. Hey, someone is grabbing my ass. Half of it?
Yeah.
Okay. I can add more, bro. Ooh. It's the ooh, the reveal.
Wow. Wow. Ooh, it's starting to fog up. Oh, where's the other one?
On the couch.
Boom.